This is crazy. Creators now have complete control to create and edit AI videos with full character consistency. AI video generators have not been able to deliver videos with this much control, but InVideo and Clink01 just made this possible. So you have complete control to generate, edit, patch, fix a frame, swap out or swap in objects, change words, extend the sequence, color grade and relight your videos while keeping character consistency all through your video. The distance between a rough draft and a polished final film is now basically zero. Filmmaking has gotten super easy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create visual effects that will blow your mind. My name is Charles. Let's go. So all these special effects were made using InVideo. InVideo has a VFX studio that houses a bunch of visual effects that you can just use in one click. I'm going to leave the link to InVideo in the description of this video. Now, once you're logged in, you're going to land on the main dashboard. At the bottom, you tap on agents and models. You're going to see different generative models for images and videos, but we are not touching those ones yet. Instead, I'm going to scroll down to the section called Trends and click on it. You'll see a list of visual effects and special effects. Click on See All. Now this opens up a panel with effects like relight, air color, prop swap, key lap, and other effects. So we are going to test a few of these. I pick one effect and create a new project. At the prompt bar, I can switch the model, swap the effect, or stay with the one that I've selected. If I click back to keylab effects, it takes me back to the visual effects where I can pick the exact effect that I want. So for this example, I'm going to choose keylab. With keylab selected, I can upload my video and any reference image that the effect needs. Now, since InVideo works with Clink01, you can upload a video or image and modify anything inside that video. So I'm going to drop in a video. Then I enter my prompt. Replace the environment in the video with a snowy environment in a tactical scene. I set the aspect ratio, select duration, confirm the output settings, and hit generate. You can see here, this is the original video and the other one has a background change. Notice how the lighting matches the environment perfectly. You can even see the trail of the chariots on the snow. But if you look closely, you'll see that the trail shows for only one wheel. But apart from that, everything looks good and fits in perfectly. This keylab effect works like a chroma key. It allows you to remove any kind of background from a video and replace it with another one using just an image or a prompt, creating videos that are impossible to film in reality. This time I switch environment again and turn the scene into a chariot ride in New York City. As you can see here, the output looks great. This removes the manual effort of trying to regenerate the entire scene from scratch. Now you just edit your videos and swap environments without losing character consistency. If you still haven't subscribed to this channel, you're missing out. I have a lot of helpful videos here, so subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Next, I move to the workspace again, click AI agents and models, and I create a separate project to generate images. I make sure that Nano Banana Pro is selected. Then I enter a prompt and generate. Now I have the image I want. Here is where things get interesting. I save that image, then I switch the trend to prop swap. With this special effect, I can change any individual element or prop in any video using just a prompt or reference images, keeping every other thing in the video unchanged. For example, I'll upload this video, then I'll upload the image of the dragon. Then I'll say, replace the dog with the dragon. And here you can see the result. The woman who was petting a dog is now petting a dragon. And you can see here, this looks natural and blends into the scene perfectly. Now I place the original video side by side with the replaced video. In the original video, you can see that she pets a dog. In the new one, she pets a dragon. The quality is insane. And I'm going to push this further. So I want the person in the background to hold two large guns. Yeah. So update the prompt. The person at the back is holding two large guns. I upload the video, remove this image, and generate. From this video, you can see that the person on the chariot is holding a big gun. The pose looks correct, and the hands grip the gun properly. There is almost no distortion, no warping. The gun matches the lighting of the scene, and the character stays consistent. The environment doesn't even shift or glitch. but there's a minor issue, one small problem. And the prompt, I said 2, not 1 large, not 1 large gun, right? But apart from that, every other thing looks good. So with inpaint and cleaning up, you can introduce new objects in the same video or remove existing ones while keeping the environment consistent. Now I'm going to switch to continuity engine and then type prompt. You can see here, it takes the original video of the man walking in the desert and extends it by generating extra frames. It keeps the same environment and characters, so the clip becomes a bit longer without any jump cuts. This video looks like this. But then I use the relight feature to change the lighting. You can do this in any video. You can switch day to night or shift the color tones. What you're going to do is just to select relight, upload the video, and enter a simple prompt to change the lighting of the scene. The video looks impressive. The lighting sits naturally on my face, clothes, and the objects in the room. The shadows stay accurate. The green reflection shows on the mic and the table. You can see my hand resting on the light, and the red light also blends with my clothes and the plants behind me. The most important part is my face. It remains consistent. I tested it on a chariot video as well. The original is daytime New York. The edited version becomes nighttime. The character does not shift. The style, the environment, the pose, you can see that it still stays intact. Before this, you had to regenerate scenes over and over, hoping the characters remain consistent. Now the characters remain consistent automatically. Alongside these effects, you have more trends to try out. You can try out the fireburn effect, a house growing effect, camera transition, bullet time slow motion, and more effects. Now these are great for cinematic content. You can just click an effect, upload an image or video, and generate. I like the clothes transition and the drip fade effects for creators who do like outfit swaps. The freeze frame effect is also fun to try out. Now, all these tools let you create effects for cinematic frames, creative storytelling, or strong hooks for your content. The workflow is simple. You select a trend, upload an image or video, enter your prompt, and generate results that look like high-end visual effects. I'll leave the link to InVideo in the description of this video so you can try it out yourself. Now, if you sign up for any of the plans here, you can get unlimited access to Nano Banana Pro. And if you're serious about video creation and want to access the other top 60 plus models like Sora 2 and Veo 3.1, I highly recommend going for the generative plan that starts at $100 per month. Now, this is the one that I have, and it will give you enough credits to make multiple videos. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. I have a lot of helpful videos for you here. So subscribe, like, and share this video. I'll see you in this video here.